Welcome back to Nice Helm Farms, where we can barely move our faces. So we kind of got a cold front in, so it's like about 40 degrees right now. Cats unaffected as usual, but we decided we would continue despite the fact that it's pretty chilly. I mean, hey, other people survive. This isn't too bad. What we're going to do today, though, is we're going to get the siding done over here with as many of the panels as we possibly have. Once we get the siding going, then we are going to go ahead and put on the roof.
Well, it is just simply too cold out here. So until next time. Yesterday in the rain, we finished this wall, the very top part, and then we put up this wall, and now we're working on the roof. We've run out of...
On the roof.
The roof! We've run out of the cedar siding that was from the girl barn that we had to take down. Apart. We had to take it apart because the wind took it down. So now we need more siding to do across the back, and then we're going to put siding from this post over to that side to enclose half of the front. But we have the roof panels, so we're putting the roof on. Now we are trying to use a ladder with wood to shore up. You have help. To shore up the roof of the aviary so he can actually walk on top of it. You're gonna need more wood?
Yep.
I have some 2x4s. Dandy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can push up on that. Yeah. That should be good, huh?
Hopefully.
I can't believe how much that's warped, though. That's crazy.
Yeah. Yep.
Several of them have, I've noticed.
Yeah.
But I think once they do, I don't know that they go any further.
That one right there could be used for a ship.
Right? You're right. That's pretty funny. You need a ladder?
On the safe side, yeah.
Okay. We'll go get a ladder. Okay, we're back with a ladder.
With a ladder.
Back with a ladder.
And it arose.
I have to show you this. Right there. Look at that sweet boy.
Yep.
Taking a nap on the compost pile. Oh, here comes his sister, Gaius. Hi, Gaius. All right, back to this. Back to the task at hand. I'll get you tipped up a little bit, so when he falls through this, you'll have real good view of all of it. Morgana's still sleeping on the dung pile. It's got to be warm. That's all I can think of.
Yeah.
Arthur was sleeping on it yesterday too.
Yep. We believe that's it. And a couple more here in the corner.
On the crossbeam? Yeah.
Here, yeah. There.
Cool.
Yeah.
Now we can put some 2x4s in preparation for
Right
the
here.
siding after we get it.
Yeah. We're putting the siding on the outside, right?
On the front part, yeah.
Yeah, excellent. Be a little difficult to do it on the inside at this point.
Yeah. Okay, we are going to be enclosing this half right here. All of this is going to be enclosed. So what we're going to work on is putting a 2x4 at the bottom and another one in the middle. Plus we need 2x4s at the very back.
Or we could do a diamond pattern, chevron pattern.
It was going to be on the inside, so we're going to put, we need more 2x4s on the back too to put the siding on there when we get it.
Okay, so we just finished doing a little bit more work on here. As you saw earlier, we finished the roof. Now what we've done is we put on some bracing so we can add the siding onto the front and the back. We're going to wait for the back wall because we've got to get some 12-foot cedar siding to put on there. Make sure it looks good that way. And then beyond that, we've got the framework over here, here, down here, right here, over here to do siding along here. So that'll be the entrance for the alpaca. We got our sidewalls. We'll, like I said, we'll do a back wall there. We'll have this one here. Should give them plenty of shelter. But it's turning out really good. It's extremely sturdy. You know, we've added it to existing stuff. You know, you can just punch and hammer this thing all day and nothing is going to happen to it.
Nothing's moving.
Yeah, nothing's moving. Sure, the cats will like it until we get alpaca. Even once we get alpaca,
Yeah,
the
they'll
cats
snuggle.
will probably still like it. Yeah, so we're pretty happy with it. Looks good. Yep.
And we are officially out of siding.
Yep.
So we had all of our siding from the girl barn when we took it apart. We put it all over here on this rack. And we left this rack when we moved the other rack to the shop. We left this rack because we knew we were going to be building this barn. And we have diminished it greatly.
Yes, we have.
But now I guess this rack can be moved.
Yeah. Yep. And with what little wood we have left on there, we can probably just take it all onto the other rack.
On the other rack, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And just put this rack in front of the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then all these posts go for getting a little piece of fence here with a gate, and
Yep.
then another little piece of fence over there with a gate.
Yep.
Gotta go get the bigger gate then.
Yeah.
And then probably put one of our solar lights here that we usually put on all of our buildings.
Yeah.
Put one there, and probably put another one on this side, right over here. But yeah, this is awesome. What do you think, Aragorn? It's pretty exciting.
Yep. We're not even talking about the chicken coop.
I know, right? We've got, what, like 1, 2, 3 more pieces of siding to put right here?
Yeah.
And then the back still, all the way up, all the way across the back. But yeah, this is nice. Got the roof on. Got the sidewalls done. Got the front wall done. We got to get some dirt in here and do a little leveling. There's an anthill underneath that, so we got to kind of dig that down a little bit, but then we're going to probably level this out pretty good. Put some dirt down. We had a wood pile here before, so that mesh was underneath the wood pile, so I'll have to put a little bit of dirt over that. And then put some straw down. It'll just be a nice little barn.
Yep.
All right, signing off.
Yep.
Until we get more siding.
Yes.
And then that'll be in the next video.
Yep. Finish this.
The next video for this project.
For this.
Yeah.
Finish these 2 pieces, and then we'll move on to the next one.
We'll move on to the next.
Yep. Definitely. Bye.